All right.
It's pretty just fun.
Yeah, some Reverence. Get on here in a minute. Woo! Dirt's good today. Double black. Ooh, forgot about that. I don't know who's getting that triple. Oh yeah. Oh shit.
Like, stop. That's fun.
Yeah, it's cool, huh?
I don't know why that's a double blast.
Oh, that option? Yeah, it's kind of odd. Whoa! Ha! Forgot about that shit too. So here's that new double black. I don't really know what's down here.
I want to walk down it.
Yeah, I'm curious. All right, well, we'll see you at the intersection, I guess. No gap in this today, though. Oh, I should have done that. Damn it. I don't know what's on this section. Oh, ha ha, that was gnarly. Don't kill myself here. Oh, all right. Lost the group. See if I can find them again here. Get my cleat back in. There we go, maybe. Leaves. definitely gonna make that. Oh yeah, it's getting way steeper. Oh. Yo. Oh, that's where this links up. Interesting. Okay, I guess they're down one more section here. Yeah, that new section was tight though. Well, shit.
We thought you were ahead of us. I was like, because we stopped up there.
Yeah.
To see you. I was like, well, he's got to. I wonder if he just like rode ahead.
Yeah, I was waiting up at a crossing, and I was like, oh shit, where'd they go? Because I thought you guys took the double black.
Okay.
Because there's like some like steeps and all kinds of cool shit in there.
Oh, really?
That I haven't seen before. Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah. I was like, oh, this is actually pretty fun.
Alex took one for the team. Oh yeah.
Oh, he go down?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
That log drop before like the gap.
Oh, okay.
Too far, and then I just bounced, and then I was like this, and then I hit like that stump.
Oh no.
He cleared the gap, or cleared the drop fine, but then bounce off was, we had too much pressure in his tires, and I think he bounced.
Oh no.
Folded, and then he bounced off the ground.
Shit.
Everyone likes the push.
All right.
You're riding fastest here, so
All right.
you. Unless you want to follow me.
That's cool. I can lead. It's all good.
Do you want to go behind or behind?
Oh, did you take a little detour? Someone's water bottle. Oh, oh. Whew. Oh boy. Big rock. Oh yeah. Woo. Woo. Yo. Oh. Should have took that long. Whew. Nice. And hike back. All right. Woo, there goes my rim. Turn here.
My trail in the wet is a spicy meatball.
Oh yeah, so is this one.
I don't ride this trail in the wet.
All right, into the steeps. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Woo.
That's why I won't ride that trail in the wet.
Oh yeah, it's gnar in the wet. Drop. Oh yeah. All right.
That first one with like the pedal grabber sticking out.
Oh, that thing's
My
gnar.
heart
Fucking
was like,
gnarly.
please Jesus.
It's a
Oh, yeah, I had to like lift my rear and pivot it.
it's a definite commit.
So this one, that roll's super chill. There's a couple corners and then we get to where that stump kind of skinny is. So I'll stop when we get over there so you guys can peep it. Black butter.
Anybody else?
Yeah.
Definitely like rolling in like, can you clip in now, please?
Yeah.
Yoo-hoo!
Nice.
Phew. Yeah.
Yeah, that thing's pretty fun.
Yeah, I have never been on this trail before.
Oh, really?
It's a good trail.
It's a fun one.
Further that way?
Nah.
This is the further. Okay.
Yeah.
That's
At least
good.
that I know of.
I'm like, okay,
And then
now
this
I know
dumps
where
down
I'm
into
at.
like lower Happy Dog.
Yeah.
I feel like there's another one.
So we'll get, and there's some more steeps to end, and then like a little bridge across the river down there, but it's not like super skinny. It's pretty chill. But there's a couple of these steeps, like definitely control your speed because it's got some very unsupported corners on a couple of them. All right, here we go. Oh no! Whew. Off of that a little bit.
I wasn't making it.
Whew. Yeah, I was pleasantly surprised. Not too bad.
It's nice to do this. It's so nice that
All right. The ferns. Oh man, the leaves. Oh.